Bhakti. Places are negative, some places are positive, some places are transcendental, some places are super transcendental. So a cemetery and a cremation ground is negative, right? And a disco is positive, passionate. And a temple is positive, sattvic. And transcendental also, because Krishna is there. So this is the point. Okay, you're in Ramanreti. That's very nice. That's kind of like a freeway to get you somewhere. And there's specific pastimes of Radha and Krishna and Ramanreti. I'm yet to read of any. I lived there. I left there because to me, the pursuit of Radha and Krishna prema was greater than my happiness of my eyes. The pursuit of Radha Krishna prema was more important to me than the happiness of my eyes. Because when I would see Radha Shyam, I would feel very happy in mind and heart. But to develop Radha Krishna prema and Gopi Bhav, the best place in all Braj Mandal, and every Acharya agrees, the best place is Radhakund for Madhurya Bhav, specifically in Mantri Bhav. This is the place. That's why this is the center of Gaudiya Vaishnavism. Lord Chaitanya discovered this place. Every place else is already discovered by the Nimbarkis and by so many other sadhus. But he didn't reveal Barsana or Nandagram or Gokul, so many places. Neither did Rupa or Sanatan or Lokanath or Bhugarbha, because they all were involved. Bhugarbha Goswami, Lokanath, and Rupa Sanatan, they were Lila Stali Prakat. They were manifesting the Lila Stalis of Braja. But none of them could find Radhakund. Radhakund is a gift of Mahaprabhu. You are a Gaudiya Vaishnava, this is for you. Oh, you are my son, I give you this 1 lakh. Does your father go around the town and give every son 1 lakh? I don't think so. Oh, you got married, you need some money. Here's 1 crore, buy a house. So Lord Chaitanya said, this is my wealth. I'm giving it to you. But who speaks like this? Who knows this? This is all in the books. I'm speaking from my realization. Aravipane, Ramatam, Raman, Sukh, Anand. Hey mind, find your happiness. Mansukh, Manananda. Find your happiness there in the forest of Vrindavan with the monkeys, because the forest means trees and trees means monkeys. Monkeys they're fun. He's telling, this is the perfection of thought to always remember. And wherever we go in Vrindavan, when we touch the leaves or the vines or the trees, we should think, oh, my Radha, my Swamini, she walked here. She came here last night. When I go in the garden, I embrace my trees and I touch the leaves of the Malati. And I say, did Radharani touch you last night? Did Krishna lean on its neem tree? Did Krishna lean on you last night? This is their Bagicha. Because the spiritual world is here and here. It's not here. Spiritual world is not here. It's consciousness. It's a realm. Goloka is a realm. It's not a grahan. Surya grahan. Chanda grahan. Venus, how do you say Venus? Kanya grahan. The planets. Shukra grahan. It's a consciousness. Vrindavan is a state of consciousness. Not that you get in a rocket ship. We're going. Oh, keep going. Oh, there goes Janalok and Mahalok and Tapalok. There goes Satyalok. Oh, there goes Brahmalok. Keep going. Look out your window to the left. You'll see Brahmalok. Oh, there's Brahmalok. Oh, okay, that's nice. Oh, the little turbulence here. Fasten your seatbelt. Oh, what's happening? Be careful now. We're going through the coverings of the universe. It's going to be a little turbulence. Fasten your seatbelt. Please turn off your cell phone and fasten your seatbelt. We're going through the covering universe. First we have to go through Earth layer, then the water layer and fire layer and ether layer and man and buddhi and hankar. That's going to be really bumpy going through hankar. And then we have to enter the Brahma Jyoti. Then you better put your sunglasses on. The sunglasses will pop down automatically, from the rooftop, their sunglasses, they'll pop down. You'll hear the bell. Put them on, because when you look out the window, you'll see the Brahmajyoti. Oh, wow, it's really bright. Wow. And you keep going and going. And then you'll see Vaikuntha. And don't get distracted. Don't pull the chain on the railway train and make the plane stop. Make the bogey, you pull the chain on a train and it stops. So don't pull the chain and stop in Vaikuntha. We're not stopping there. Keep going. Oh, look at that. That looks like Rukmini, Dwarkadish. Oh, I want to stop there. Hey, don't stop there. That's Dwarka. Oh, what's that? Oh, it looks like Uddhava. And it looks like Vasudeva and Devaki. Oh, I think I'll stop. That's Mathura Junction. This is Mathura. I have to stop. No, don't pull the chain there. This is not Mathura Junction. Don't get off there. Oh, what? Oh, what's all these trees? There's no buildings. There's no palaces. There's no golden streets. Mathura had golden streets and golden palaces. What is this place? There's only trees everywhere. I just see green everywhere. Green, 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 green. What is this? Germany or Switzerland? What is this? You know, when you fly to these places, you look out the window. It's all green. There's nobody lives here or what? It's all forests and countryside. So then here you look out the window, you see people and buildings. You know. So then, okay, prepare. You know, we're about to land. We're going to land now on the Govardhan Parikrama Marg Airport. Govardhan Parikrama Marg Airport. It's 14 kilometers long. We'll be landing there, and we'll be taxiing into Dangati, and then you can get down in Dangati. And I thank you for flying with Swami Intergalactic Airlines, and we hope to see you again on Intergalactic Airlines. But we hope you don't come back either, because once you go there, Punar Janmana Vidyate. Punar Janmana Vidyate. Vidyate means there is no more birth. Punar Janmana Vidyate. Vidyate means there is. Na Vidyate means there is not Punar, again, birth, when you go there. So that's not how it is. You don't get in a rocket ship. It's not a planet. It's a state of consciousness. That's where everywhere they don't know how to describe the spiritual. They say world, realm, spiritual sky. It's not a planet, which is, I didn't even understand that till about 15 years ago. I thought it was some planet, Goloka Vrindavan. It's a planet. And you come down with a spaceship, and then the dust goes flying from, the rocket lands down, a moon landing, and then the gate comes down, and you walk out, and you have your Siddha Swarupa. Jai Ho, welcome Navadasi, welcome Navamandri, come. That's why the brain is called Achintya Tattva, inconceivable. That's why I said that seeing the lilas, seeing the lila salis is not with the eyes, it's with the heart and with the mind. Because the heart and mind take you to the spiritual world, not the eyes. The heart and mind take you to the spiritual realm, not 70,000 pictures of deities. Krishna doesn't say that in any book. He says, Yam yam vapi smaran bhavam tyajat yanti kalevaram. 8th chapter of Gita, 8th chapter of Gita, verse 6. Yam yam vapi smaran bhavam tyajat yanti kalevaram. Tam tam eveti kontaya sadatad bhava bhavitaha. Sadatad bhava bhavitaha. That bhav, that condition, that mood, that meditation, that feeling in the heart and mind that you're cultivating, sada, kirtaniya sadahari, always cultivating. Sada tad means that, like we say that, almost sounds like tad. Sanskrit, English, we say THAT, they say TAD, that, tad. Sada tad bhava bhavitaha. That will become, like we say bhavatu. Punar mushika bhava. Punar mushika bhava. Bhava means let it be. Again become a mouse. You heard that. So, yam yam vapi smaran bhavam tyajat yante kalevaram. Ante kalevaram. The time of death. Tyajat. Tyag. When you die, marana kal. Khatam ho gaya, haribol. Then yam yam vapi smaran. Not how many eyeball pictures you took. What you remember. Because at death you can't see. When you're dying, you can't see, you can't hear, you can't do anything. If you're lucky, you may get a few seconds of remembrance by God. And usually what comes in your memory in that last few seconds is your wife, your husband, the kid that beat you up when you're 5 years old and you can never forget it. Whatever, something ridiculous, mundane. That's what comes. And again, you take a very low birth. Low birth means material birth.